Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a full face of $1 makeup. So everything that I'm going to be using on my face today is going to be ShopMissA. A couple of weeks ago, might have been a little bit more than a couple weeks ago, but I did do a ShopMissA haul, which is of $1 makeup products and everything. So I will make sure to leave everything you need to know in the description box down below. So I did put all of the stuff that I did the haul on in this container, so I'm just gonna pretty much get right into it. So okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is my eyebrows. So I am going to be using the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil, and this is in the color dark brown. So on one end it has the spoolie, and then the other end is the eyebrow pencil.
So this is what the spoolie looks like, the eyebrow pencil looks like. I should have went with a darker color, maybe like a black or something, but I think this would do.
I did get this makeup brush set or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to use one of the skinny like eye brushes to kind of like conceal my brows and stuff. So I'm going to be using the AOA Studio liquid concealer, and I think this one is in the color nude. Okay, so I have my brows done. So the next thing that I'm going to go in with is the primer spray. And this says it is for smooth, even skin. While I'm letting the primer spray set on my face, I'm just gonna show y'all like the foundations that I got. I got the AOA Studio Buildable Setting Foundations. I got one in the color 309 and one in 310, only because I wasn't sure exactly what shade I needed. I'm thinking I wanna go with 310. Or I might just mix the two. I'm gonna go with the 310. And this is how the applicator looks. So I'm going to take one of my bigger face brushes and blend that out. I think that's a pretty good match. I just need to still blend it out a bit. It's not full coverage, but I guess you can say it's like a sheer coverage I don't really know much about makeup, but I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's too dark for my skin, but I feel like it looks pretty good. The only thing is trying to blend it out around my eyebrows. So next I'm going to go in with the concealer, the AOA Studio Liquid Concealer in Nude. Not too much. I'm gonna take my Wonder Blender to blend it out. These are just $1 beauty blenders. They call them Wonder Blenders on the site, but they're just $1. So I just got a standard black one. I concealed my forehead, nose, under my eyes, chin. What I'm going to do now is go in with some setting powder. And this is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder in Soft Light. I wanted the banana one, but they were sold out. So I'm just going to go with the Soft Light. I'm just going to take a small brush and kind of do it like that. I think I'm going to set my face and then go on with the other steps. So I'm going to be using the setting spray, and this locks in the makeup. Okay, so what I'm going to go in with now is the AOA Studio Velour Eyeshadow. And this is in the color 243 Virgin. I think I'm just gonna take one of my eyeshadow brushes out of my makeup brush set. They do have these on the site for $1 each, but if you want the set, it's gonna be $10. So it's 10 brushes in here, and each brush is $1 each basically. You can't really see it. It's like a light shimmer. And the next thing I'm gonna go in with is some liquid liner. So I think I'm gonna do a winged liner. So this is the Amuse Cosmetics liquid liner, and it is waterproof. Well, at least that's what it says. So I'm just going to do a winged liner. This is the tip. I haven't done a winged liner in quite a while with a brush like this, so let's see how it does. So that's the first wing. I think I did pretty good for it to have been a while. Then I'm just going to do the other eye. Okay, so got the wing eyeliner on. And now it is time to go in with some mascara. So I have some AOA Studio Skinny Under Lash Mascara. And it's really skinny. It's a really skinny tip. So I am going to go in and put on some lashes. I got the AOA Studio 6-pack in the style Alexis. I've had some eyelashes from ShopMissA before and I absolutely love them. So I got some more lashes, but I never had the Alexis style before, so we're going to test those out. They also do have eyelashes on there for $1 and some on the site as well. I have my tweezers, and then I did buy some AOA Studio Super Strip Lash Adhesive, specifically for the eyelashes. Also have some scissors because I am going to cut the lashes down to fit my eye. So I did cut them down. I cut them a little bit shorter to fit the size of my eye. So I'm going to take the lash adhesive, and then I'm going to try to apply them onto my eyes. But that's one eye. And then I'm going to apply the other eye. Okay, so I got the lashes on. I mean, I think I did a pretty okay job. I don't know. The next thing that I'm going to go in with is some baked highlighter. So I have some AOA Studio Wonder baked highlighter in the shade or color Cupcake. I usually just take my finger and just put my highlight on like that. And then I put some on my nose. And then I usually put some right here. The last two things that I'm going to apply is I have some Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Drama. And it is a really pretty color. And then I have some lip gloss, Diamond Lip Gloss, in the shade Girl Power. So I'm not sure if I want to put one or both on. I think I am going to put the matte lipstick on and then just put like a little gloss over it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so I have the lipstick on. I'm not really good with applying lipstick, but this is the shade. And I'm going to put some of this Diamond Lip Gloss on top. So it's still kind of matte. but it has a little bit of shine on it as well. So this is the final look. It's actually pretty cute. It looks really, really good in person. I'm not sure if the camera is really doing justice or not, but this makeup look, it looks good. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Make sure to go down below in the description box, click the link. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Comment down below any video suggestions, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.